Hey Ray, we're here at Crooked River. Look behind me. Hey guys, I got some bad news for you. I shot all kinds of awesome video with the drone and riding bikes down trails, checking out all kinds of cool stuff, and I accidentally deleted all that great footage. I know it's not cool, but it happened and I can't do anything about it. It's gone. The footage is gone. So it's something that all YouTubers have done, and I've done it now, and I learned a lesson. So all I can do is give you the footage that I do have. So I do have some footage. It's missing some of the coolest stuff, but you're going to have to bear with me and take my word for it. Crooked River is a great campground, and I highly recommend it. So hopefully you guys will enjoy the video as much as I enjoyed making it. Thanks for watching. All right, we got on I-95 North and headed 222 miles to Crooked River State Park. It was a straight shot the whole way. Isn't that convenient? No toll roads. But I-95 is definitely a torn up road in some areas, so it's not all pleasant. But we did make it. My sister is in the first vehicle and I'm in the second. Yay! So here's a little video of our campsite. You can see we got our lawn chairs out around the campfire. And here's another shot before we put the lawn chairs out. I was setting up and these little birds were flying around. So I thought it'd be cool to capture them. We were on site 10, which was very nice because it was on a corner and you could actually pull up and back straight in. It was very easy. Most sites were really big and had a lot of open space and not a lot of woods between the campsites. Our site was a full hookup site, and here we are demonstrating the use of our new item from the Tampa RV show. It's the sewer saddle. We highly recommend it. Hey Ray, we're here at, what's the name of this park? Crooked River. Here at Crooked River. And my hand keeps getting in front of the camera. Crooked River. Look behind me. It's actually a cliff right here. Holy shit. It looks like it drops about 20 feet. Pretty cool. It's definitely cold. You can see I got my jacket on with a windshield. Beautiful. As you can see, the river's edge is really beautiful. Great scenery here at Crooked River State Park. Before it got dark, we rode our bikes along the river's edge and checked out some more scenery. It was really a beautiful landscape. April asked me if I wanted to cook my dinner on her campfire, and I said, yeah. And here are April's fat burgers and my pork chops on her campfire. And let me tell you, it was delicious. The fat that came off of that pork chop and settled on that foil became a frying pan. And those pork chops were fried on the outside and tender on the inside. We had a lot of fun doing this. I highly recommend it. All right, we're here at Crooked River State Park, and it's kind of a gloomy, drizzly day. It's not raining right now, but it was raining earlier. But we're going to go to the submarine museum. I think it's called St. Mary's Submarine Museum. So I'm coming by my sister's site, and we're all going to ride together and go to the museum. So I'll show you my sister's site. You can see there's plenty of open area between sites, plenty of room. Very large areas. Look at that. finish up our self-guided tour of the submarine museum, we head outside to take some pictures. From the words of Traveling Robert, "Fly, Pelican!" Some kind of little cafe or something. They got little, it says crab cakes or something like that on the window. What's that say? Yeah. Then next to it looks like a cafe. It says Riverside Cafe. People hanging out on the front porch. Another historic building next to it. Looks really old. Another one here, it looks like it's like early 1900s or something. 1920s or 30s. As we continue down the boardwalk, we come to the Cumberland Island National Seashore Visitor Center. At the Visitor Center, you can check out the maps to find points of interest, including Cumberland Island. You can take a ferry and go see the wild horses. They also have a nice gift shop and environmental displays that you can study about the surrounding area, including the wildlife and marine life. It's actually pretty cool. Check out this antique truck with a camper topper on top. Pretty cool. We were told there was another museum around the corner, and it was free. So let's go take a look at it. We left the museum, we circled around the neighborhood and found these abandoned railroad tracks that were paved over by the street and running through the grass. I thought it was interesting, so I wanted to take some more video. These railroad tracks go right through the road. And then they paved over the railroad tracks. And then they go into this tree. Looks like they removed, no, there it is. One railroad track here, here's the other railroad track right here. Goes off into the woods. Wow. Cool. Let's go back to the campground. St. Mary's Railroad. After getting back to the campground, we wanted to stop at the Nature Center and see what was inside. After a while, Sherry made it to Crooked River State Park, and we decided to go for a bike ride.
Biking gang.
There were all sorts of trails to ride the bike down. They were hard-packed and easy to ride on. Some of them even had some primitive camping areas which was really cool. Also in some of the trails was strategically located wildlife blinds. As we stopped in one of the trails to take a break, we saw some people checking out a geocache. And then we came across this little fella.
Whatever it is, yummy. They don't hear too well or see too well, or they don't care we're here. So I would say we're 10 feet from them.
As we sat in a wildlife blind, I thought it would be a great idea to fly the drone. Even though I don't have the footage, I have this footage of me flying the drone. And this is the friendly family that stopped and talked to us while I was flying the drone.
It's Robert showing the drone.
My drone is a DJI Phantom 4 Pro Plus.
It's probably like 3 brands, something like that.
As the ladies exited the ramp, they noticed the wood was slippery. So they challenged me to ride my bike down the ramp.
We can see if Robert makes this.
And I thought, no problem. So here it goes.
Sherry, sure you don't want to move out of the way?
What are you guys acting like it's a problem?
I thought you were going to go faster than that. Yeah, come on.
Well, it's time to head back, start a fire, and cook dinner. Let's do this.
All right, we're here at Crooked River State Park, starting up a campfire. The beginning of the evening, we're gonna start a campfire so we can cook on it.
Side of the pork, but it didn't burn it. Oh yeah, look at that. The steaks were done, the veggies were up, and we were enjoying dinner together in the camper. As the daytime turned into night, we were putting out the lights to decorate the camper, and then we all gathered around the campfire, enjoying music and marshmallows and lots of fun, laughing and goofing off. After we had enough of that, we went inside to play some games. Man, it was fun. Well, I have to say it again. I apologize for all the footage that I lost. I had a lot of footage of us hanging around the campfire, listening to music, having fun playing games in the camper, drone footage in the sky. It was really a lot of good footage. This camping trip will go down as the shortest and most fun camping trip that I can remember. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage that I did have and will come back again for the next video. Well, that's it for now. Make sure you stick around for some bonus footage after the video's over. And once again, thanks for watching RV Weekends.
All right, getting ready to head out. We're testing out the selfie stick.
It's a little windy.
Yeah, it's definitely windy this morning.
But sunny.
It's sunny. Just right, actually. If it wasn't windy, it would be so perfect.
Blue skies.
Ta-da! And we're getting ready to get out of here. Got all the lawn chairs picked up. Just got to do the dump the tanks, pick up the jacks. Hey everybody, it's RV Weekends at Crooked River State Park, and look what we got here. Yeah, we got chicken breast, it looks like, and ribeye steak going. Yeah. gonna be delicious. Say hi, Sherry. There's Sherry. There's April. We're grilling out here. Look at this, man. This is what we're camping for right here. This is what you do on an RV weekend. You cook the steak and you cook the chicken. Yeah. Wish you were here. See ya. Hey, everybody. It's Robert and Sherry and April and Cindy. We're going down the trails at Crooked River State Park. We were having a great time going by the water, the river, and out. Now we're out in the scrub palmettos, and we flew the drone. Can't wait to upload that video. So we're having a good time here. The weather is wonderful. It's in the like upper 50s, and you're not sweating, and it's not too cold because we're riding bikes. It's actually just right.
Pleasant.
Yes. So we've seen some other people walking by the trail and enjoying the nature. We saw some armadillos and some geocache and some deer hoof tracks. So we just thought we'd check in.
The tracker found the
Yes. She's the nature tracker. So we're gonna get back to
find deer tonight. Yeah, that's we're on the hunt for some deer tonight.
We're gonna head out again when it gets almost dark to try to catch some deer.
Not catch, literally.
You know, catch up with some.
Yeah, like,
All right.
Picture.
Later. Talk to you later.